Welcome to our updated guide on how to block someone on Snapchat. Follow these steps to effectively block unwanted contacts on the platform. To start, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on the search icon located at the top left corner of the screen to begin searching for the account you wish to block. Navigate to the desired account that you want to block from your contacts list. Click and hold on the account profile to reveal additional options. Select the Block option from the menu to prevent further interactions with this account. A confirmation message will appear to ensure that you want to block this account. Tap on Confirm to proceed with blocking. By following these steps, you have successfully blocked the selected account on Snapchat, restricting them from contacting you or viewing your content. Blocking someone on Snapchat can help maintain your privacy and peace of mind. It's a useful feature to manage your connections and interactions on the platform. Thank you for watching this guide on how to block someone on Snapchat. Stay in control of your contacts and enjoy a safer and more enjoyable Snapchat experience by utilizing the block feature when needed.